Right. Hey, Warren Tarl here, the tax strategist. Just want to get this out here really quickly. Some of you heard this, maybe some of you haven't, but don't file your taxes yet. That is, if you received a state stimulus check. So if you've gotten in 2022, so in 2022, if you got a check from your state, stimulus check, and you'll know if it was. Sometimes they auto deposit it into your bank account. Sometimes they mail it to you. Sometimes they put it on your tax return. But if you got anything, a stimulus payment from your state, don't file your tax returns yet. Now, if this was one you got from the federal government, forget it. We're not talking about that. We're only talking about ones you got from the state. And what's going on is the IRS has not yet decided whether or not those are going to be taxable on your 2022 tax return. Right now, as it stands, we believe that they would be taxable. So if you're to file your tax return right now, you have to include that in your taxable income and pay taxes on it. However, there's a very good possibility that the IRS is going to come back in the very near future and say they are not taxable. And they're studying it right now, working with the states to see, in what states they might be taxable and what they might not be, who they might be taxable for, who they might not be. Anyway, they will give us guidance soon, not yet, but soon. So if you filed right now, you probably pay too much in tax. And if you have to file an amended return, that's a kind of a really big headache. So don't file your tax return yet if you received a stimulus check from your state. California happens to be one of those states that did it. Others probably did as well. I don't have a comprehensive list of everybody who has, but if you got a stimulus payment in 2022, you know it. Don't file your taxes yet. I'll let you know when it's safe to do